यूट्यूब चैनल मलिक। आज इस वीडियो के अंदर हम बात करेंगे 5 एक्शनेबल टिप्स टू मेक मनी विद ई कॉमर्स। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर टुडे वीडियो। We have seen a continuously rising trend in online shopping for many years, but since the pandemic hit in 2020, sales have accelerated beyond projections. E-commerce revenue will likely reach $5.02 billion in 2022 alone. Brick and mortar stores are sticking around for the long haul, but there is no denying that an increasing number of consumers are looking for convenience and choice. Because consumer behavior constantly evolves, your company must stay up to date on the latest trends and find ways to grow revenue. How do e-commerce brands make money? E-commerce stands for electronic commerce. It essentially pertains to any commercial electronic transactions on the web. Purchasing or selling any products or services online can be considered e-commerce. In other words, e-commerce refers to the selling and buying of physical goods, shoes, books, vitamins, services, consulting, online courses, workshops, or digital goods, e-books, software, media streaming. Here are a few of the primary means by which e-commerce sites make money. Making and selling. Many e-commerce entrepreneurs make and sell their products through their websites, which means you own the entire brand and everything you produce. Whether it's arts and crafts, clothing, or any other types of products, you can make a profit if you have a unique skill. This e-commerce model would also apply to farmers who grow crops and ship them to customers, wholesaling or dropshipping. Many entrepreneurs also open e-commerce businesses to sell products made by other manufacturers. With this model, you essentially choose products to buy from distributors, store them in your inventory, and sell them through your online store. While this approach requires less physical labor, it still comes with administrative tasks and requires good management skills. Also, you may not make as much money per product because you have to purchase them upfront. As a dropshipper, you are a middleman between suppliers and consumers. This model allows you to purchase products from various suppliers and you don't have to buy anything upfront. One of the main perks of dropshipping is that you don't have to carry as much physical inventory. You sell items to your customers and the suppliers fulfill and ship the order. Dropshipping has become a popular e-commerce model for beginners and professionals because it has low startup cost, but you must stay current with the latest trends while remaining aware of the product categories that sell consistently over time. For instance, some of the most popular categories year after year include jewelry, home and garden, beauty, and women's clothing. White labeling. White labeling is when an entrepreneur buys pre-made product from a manufacturer or supplier and puts their private label on the product. This labeling eliminates the need to produce your own product and allows you to sell under your brand. If you specialize in making one specific product but want to add various related products to your selection, white labeling could be the perfect approach. Every e-commerce model requires you to source goods for a lower price than you sell them for. The challenge comes with the additional customer acquisition and retention costs managing an online store and others. That's why you have to use effective strategies to experience healthy profit margins. How can I make more money on my e-commerce site? So what are the some tangible steps you can take to boost your online store's bottom line? Here are a few examples. Improve your website. Your priority should be your e-commerce website itself because it makes a first impression on potential customers and keeps current customers coming back. Make sure that you have excellent site speed, meaning that each page loads quickly so that customers don't abandon your site. Your site must also be easy to navigate. If customers open your homepage and you are confused about getting to the pages they are interested in, they will leave. If you sell products, you need to have high quality images and copies. Product photos, product descriptions, CTAs, and testimonials can go a long way in convincing leads to convert. Moreover, look for opportunities to upsell your customers, which means that you recommend additional related items when customers are checking out. Speaking of the checkout process, make that as fast and easy as possible for your customers and remember to display your security badges so that customers feel comfortable browsing your site. So ये थी आज की वीडियो जिसके अंदर हमने बात की ई कॉमर्स के ज़रिए आप लोग कैसे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं। तो वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर, हमें इजाज़त दीजिएगा, अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, टेक केयर, गुड बाय।